Association. Had a couple of free events down there and state section events. He's got a daughter that's got a pretty good hand at driving. Ladies and gentlemen, all bets are on right here. When he crosses 100 foot, he is going to be leaning on that motor. Burns it in the best that he can. He would love to win the class. He would love to win the class. In the point. That's what's anticipated. Dougie, awards for how they place. This man can move up one notch. He's out of Pine Grove, Kentucky. A machine called Extremely Insane Larry Phillips. I got some people that are going to go. Steve Bird, Lynn, Indiana, lock and load, heavyweight super stock, big tires are on. Take it to the other end. Kind of like the orange tractor a while ago, you don't see a whole lot of the blue, but you're seeing more and more of them all the time, especially in these light classes.
We got one New Holland.
Chris Neeson out of Lewistown, Missouri, the total recall.
Hey, that's fun.
Only got to go class 31303.
Oh, really?
New Holland blue, Ford blue, if you want to call it Ford. There are no more Fords made anymore, but New Holland on the line. The 770 New 313's in the lead, but John Deere and this little Ford tractor is going to go gunning for him. They're going to be watching that 100-foot mark for a fact. Youngsters on the sideline over here got some checkered flag out they bought at the camp at the Outlaw Cap and T-shirt trailer, waving the checkered flag saying, "Come on, buddy, come on, take it down the line, Notorious." Ford Power, ladies and gentlemen, the Ford Power tractor out of Nebo. Moving on. Get you down there, folks. Guaranteed. Moving on to number 4 in the overall point. 8. So that'll put him into second place. Those of you that was in Montgomery City, Missouri at the county fair, anybody in the stands here that was at the Montgomery City show? Yeah, got a few. This guy had a very big explosion. This tractor come apart motor-wise in Montgomery City. Proud to see the fire water back out. Justin Edwards, Paris, Missouri. Like the name of the tractor, like the looks of the tractor, fire am quite sure that he said something along the line of, gosh, oh hecky darn. 4 pro stocks left and 9 two-wheelers. 4 pro stocks and 9 two-wheelers. The Bell stepped up to the plate pretty hard last night. He showed us a little something that we hadn't seen out of the Bell in a couple of days. He's waved his hand over Steve Calger. Southern Bell. I quit. The Bell. Typical female says, I quit.
Bird.
You can't argue the light fire and then the throttle cable. The guillotine comes together on him. Guillotine's what shuts the air off. He's putting that horse collar on we're talking about. You see that? This is the tractor I told you last night that I didn't get to drive in Texas. Bo Allenstein, out of Lebanon, Missouri, called Old School. They're called Old School for a good reason. The majority of these tractors you're watching in this class has differential rear ends, ladies and gentlemen. Semi-truck rear ends, the rules allow that now. This one is true international, front to rear. Front to rear all the way through. He is well, he was off the throttle in time. Old School has been giving him a little bit of problem. He says, let me go back and do that again. Man worked on it most of the day. I was out at their camp. They was putting boats in and it broke off just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I've got a 2-wheeler fired up on the backside. That'll be Bill Overstreet. We got Margaret back here. I see Margaret. She's a standard. I got a blower motor coming. We'll keep her ears covered up back there for a little bit. Bill Overstreet, Missouri Gambler. Big Hemi, ladies and gentlemen. Things are not working like they ought to. Kind of like the air shuts off, but it really ain't. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause. Bo's Band Binder calls it the Old School. Bo Allenstein. You're free to go, Bo. Bo Allenstein doing it.
One runner
having a hard